A file control block, also called a file descriptor, is a type of data structure that is temporarily allocated by a computer operating system to maintain the status of a data file that is being created or otherwise manipulated. In most instances, a file control block is used to store basic information about a file, such as its name, extension, and location on a logical drive, as well as dynamic information such as the current address within the file that is being read. The file manager also provides a logical way for users to organize files in secondary storage. For the convenience of the machine's users, most file managers allow files to be grouped into a bundle called a directory or folder. This approach allows a user to organize his or her files according to their purpose, by placing related files in the same directory. There are several approaches for file allocation. A contiguous allocation. The simplest allocation scheme is to store each file as a contiguous run of disk blocks. Contiguous disk space allocation has two significant advantages. There are two advantages of contiguous allocation. First, it is simple to implement because keeping track of where a file's blocks are is reduced to remembering two numbers, the disk address of the first block and the number of blocks in the file. Second, the read performance is excellent, because the entire file can be read from the disk in a single operation. By linked allocation, the first word of each block is used as a pointer to the next one. The rest of the block is for data. Unlike contiguous allocation, every disk block can be used in this method. C-indexed allocation combines all of the indexes for accessing each file into a common block for that file, as opposed to spreading them all over the disk or storing them in a fat table.
Created using Powtoon.